ladies, Niki here. Thanks for being here with me again today. Hope you're all well. Right, I'll run through my colours. First is Holcroft's Carbon Black. This is, I think it's by Folkart, isn't it? It's Colorshift Black Flash. And Golden Interference Gold. Golden, oh no. Yep. Golden Azo Nickel Azo, however you say it. Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And Liquitex Interference, no, Liquitex Iridescent White, sorry. So this is going to be the start of a new series. I'm doing a black and white series. And my cell activators are Rich Gold by Atelier, Titanium White by Atelier, and Lamp Black by Amsterdam, all mixed with Australian Floetrol. So it's the start of my black and white series, and I'm going to be doing sort of shades of black and white. I won't always use the Colorshift black because it does throw off quite a lot of gold and it can look a little bit greeny. So for certain colours, I don't think it would go too well, but it went with this one, with the golden orangey tones. But I will be doing black and white, and probably keep to the same 3 cell activators, and I'll be just adding in one colour. So whether it be magenta or purple, want some shade of purple, maybe fluorescent pink. So yeah, red maybe. So yeah, we'll see. Just thought it would be nice. I know quite a few people do black and white series, so it was about time I did it too. So I'll let you watch, and I'll put some music on for you.
I am sitting at this bar trying to forget all the fun we used to have. Even though I'm better and time has passed, now I wonder where your mind's at. In my dreams I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. But get what you need, I'll make you feel free, be mine tonight. My dreams, I pick you up, I just wanna make it right. I know all about your troubles, wanna drown into your eyes and feel your blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. Get what you need, I'll make you feel free, be mine tonight and feel your blue sky within. All the trips we had, our adventures, all the waterfalls and the wild waters, hanging off the cliffs, counting all the shadows. Shadows, wanna feel your blue
Chilly sky crispy. Push the good ones away. I'm hanging out here. I've been watching you. You've been watching me too, right? Can you picture you and me in the darkness? Kissing, touching. Kill the lights, I'm your assassin. No sleep breaking. Every inch of my skin's missing you giving. Breathe out, breathe in. Hold my arms while I meditate. My world awaits. Are you ready? Are you ready? I know just what I wanna do. No safe word is needed, right? Can you picture you and me in the darkness? Kissing, touching. Kill the lights, I'm your assassin. No sleep breaking. Every inch of my skin's missing you giving. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. I'm your assassin. I'm your assassin. Just keep breathing. Breathe out, breathe in. Relax and give in. Can you picture you and me in the darkness? Kissing, touching. Kill the lights, I'm your assassin. No sleep breaking. Every inch of my skin's missing you giving. Breathe out, breathe in. You and me in the darkness, kissing and touching. Kill the lights, I'm your assassin. No sleep breaking. Every inch of my skin, missing you giving. Breathe out, breathe in.
I love this part there. This nickel gold, nickel azo gold is just gorgeous, and it looks really horrible when you mix it up. It just doesn't look a very nice colour at all, but I think we're all a little in love with this colour. Orange is the new black. So I think I'm going to enjoy this series. I like this. Rather than lots of colours, it's different for me. So if you want to suggest some colours for me to use, please do. And thanks for being here. And if you like it, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to know when I put out new videos, please subscribe, it's free. And everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks guys, bye.